Oh, yeah, that's a funded account, by the way. Oh, that's a funded account. First trade in it. Boing. Oh, shit. That was nice. Bro, I just smashed this brand new core account for nice 800 trade. Crazy. Boom. Good morning. Good morning. Government shutdown's over. I don't know what's going to happen, though. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen. It feels like sell the news a little bit. Honestly. Bro, people are so fucking stupid. When they leave comments. By the way, I just locked in another payout today. I haven't looked at any DMs or emails or anything. I just been trading. Trading all day. I got to make my money. I haven't looked at anything. No emails, no anything. I've just been you guys want poker tonight? I will set the link up right now. Let's see. So the link is going in the Discord right now. Yo, feel free to share it. Share it with whoever you want. I just put it out there. I just put it out there. I mean, honestly, I'm probably done with this account for the day. I think these are old accounts, actually. Are they old accounts? Super old accounts. Super old accounts. I was just going to say, I haven't been in here. I only traded this one account yesterday, and these were in there. And I just traded today because now it's funded. So honestly, what's cool about this is like I can just milk this the next couple days for $100 a day and then take 1,000 payout. What's up, Lim? What's up, John? All right. Well, the link is in. The link is in there. Link is in the Discord. Now, it's such a freaking baller short. I got some accounts I gotta get this one up. This one I locked in another trading day. I don't know how many more trading days I need to lock in to get a payout. I'd love to know, actually. What is that? Good morning, Trevor. So this one, after today, I need one more day of $100 or more, and I can take $1,000 out. So $100 tomorrow, I can take 1,000 out. The rest of them, I'm not even close. These two, I'm going to need 4 days, including today. So then I'll need 3 more days of this one. This one I need to get up. So yeah, I'm going to try getting this one going. Oh, I locked in these two also. These are both locked in for the day. These are over the limit for trading day. You need 8 or 10 trading days to get a payout. So I think this locks in day 3 on this account and day 2 on this account. So I'll just keep building these up. The buffer is 155, so I'm over the buffer, obviously, on both. We're going to sweep the leg, Johnny. Good morning, Ali. I think we're going to go lower. No, baby. Is this thing just going to fucking dump? My God, this thing looks like it could just plow through all. Like, it looks like we can get another 100 points out of this thing to the downside. I think they're going to bounce it, though. I think they're sucking people in right here. The low a day is 81. Oh, my God. I don't think so. I think they're going to bounce it. Yeah, it's that type of market. You could do really good and really bad really fast. Things could definitely go from really good to really bad. Such a risky fucking play here. I mean, it's literally right at the bottom orb right here. I think the orb and the imbalance are pretty much the same. They're 1 minute off of each other. I'm not risking much here. I want to see it just fucking plow through. There we go. Quick $90. I'm just chopping this down. It can easily come back up. It could easily just keep dropping. I don't want to get caught in I don't want to get caught. Yo, legs swept. Yeah. Yup. I'd love to see us come back up through. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that would be a nice play, to be honest. Come back through. Don't want to risk it for the biscuit, John? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Yo, Maria's in jail. Any reason the market sold off? It probably it's probably a sell the news event. You know, everybody wanted this, wanted it. It went, and then they just sold it off. What up, Joseph? Oh, yeah, just filled it right there. Look at that. Right to the T. Watch them blow it right. I'm just watching. You said I didn't check any emails yet. I'll check everything at lunch. I had to do dad life stuff. I jumped off. I had to go pick up my kids. I had to make dinner. I had to do all types of stuff. I didn't check emails yesterday. I didn't check anything this morning. I just traded and made money. I will check everything at lunch. I'll be honest with you, the gap just filled. If they yeah, gonna do that at lunch. Sean's gonna post it in the Discord, by the way. I don't, yeah. Sean, it's the link to that if you want to watch the interview at lunchtime is going to be in the Discord. It looks like I'm not going to get this, what I wanted. Yeah, John, I hit it too. And like you, I didn't take as much. I did not take as much as I should have. Tell you what, you could have shorted that pop and I mean, we're in this gap. I don't. I'm just watching. What are you up at all your accounts, BK? It definitely just filled the gap. What? What happened, Knob? Something's going to happen real quick here. Let's see if I can scalp it to the downside real fast. I'm stopping out at 44 and getting long at 52 in my other account. But I'm seeing if I can just scalp it to the downside real quick. It just looks fucking so weak. I like it over 52 to the long, but if it stays below here, it feels like you're going to see 200. Come on, baby. Past 1 TP and almost past 3 others. Jeez. It's a solid day. Good morning, Marie. You're short liquidated at 495. Dude, that's right at the wick. You got wicked out. Boom. What was that? 175? I'd be up like 85,000. Marie's doing good. That's a crazy day. Hey, man, if that's what works, that's what works, you know? Don't have to do anything else. I locked in another freaking Apex payout today. It felt weird yesterday not requesting one. Back at it today. Knob, I thought you were doing so well. I thought you were crushing it. If this closes, I need a 1 minute close. So I didn't copy this in anything yet. I need a 1 minute close over 27. I only got in this one account. Yo, when you get stopped out, just go in on all the other accounts. I need to see a close over 27. I want a 1 minute close over 27. Otherwise, I'm not copying this. Fuck. Come on. Keep it fucking going, motherfucker. That locks in a trading day for me, to be honest with you. That's all I care about. Oh, I just got out in time on that. Holy shit. Yo, am I out in all my accounts, though? Yeah. I'm out. Yo! Who the fuck just got that? Yo, I'm done. This just locked in another trading day in this account. I'm at max payout, so it's not like I can get more money in this account. Like, I'm at max. All right, so let me just run through that. That's done with. This account is done with. All these three accounts are done with. These are both done with. This account's up 406. That's done with because there's consistency rules. This account's up 755. That's done with. I'm trying to think what else I need to do. Hold on. I'm thinking what I need to do. I think a short off of that's probably going to pay. I don't love it though. I don't love it. I don't love it because it could definitely just pop through. What up, TJ? Man, I'm trying to think what I Dude, that short was freaking money. Money. This thing's going to go lower. Oh, you know what I got to trade? Oh, man. I know what I got to trade. I got a brand new funded account. Here we go. I got a brand new funded account we could trade. Oh, I also have a trade day account we could trade too. I don't know why these fucking guys leave all these old accounts in here. But here we go. Funded action. Boom. Damn, that's a swing, TJ. That's a pretty big swing. Oh. New funded, you passed. Oh, I passed it yesterday, Chris. I did, I think, $1,958 in it yesterday to pass. It was a growth account. I don't buy straight to funded, Chris. Just so anybody knows, I don't ever buy straight to funded. It's cheaper for me to just get an eval and pass it. So I just get an eval and pass it. Typically, I find a decent move, and instead of going in there with like 5 micros or a mini, I go in with like 3 or 4 minis, and that's usually when I pass it. Dude, I'm running out of accounts to fucking trade. It's crazy. Depending on how this goes, so there's a 40% consistency rule in this account. So we're gonna see what happens. So I think like what, $700, $800. Hey, better off. By the way, that's the link to the Discord. The poker link is in there for tonight. Dude, this would be the same setup as yesterday, by the way. Down, we bounce, we come down, we make a new low, and now they kind of just take us up. Imagine we do this again. If this is the bottom of the day, this is pretty much the same as the last 2 days. Poker is free to enter. It is free to enter. I mean, you can do a 200 banger on 1 micro. Why can't you? Am I going to take this to the upside? Something just made a clicking noise on my fucking computer. Yo, if you took it, smash the confetti. Brand new funded account. First one's got to get some money. What up, Carolina? 8 p.m. Eastern time. Boom. Ready to rip it. Oh. That's Friday, 2 in the morning. Got to risk it for the biscuit. Got to be up. Got to be up. Dude, this is a great day of trading, by the way. This is a great day. It feels like we're about to get for another ride down, is what it feels like. I mean, just stay up all night. All night, you just stay up. I'm just messing around. Yeah, I mean, I don't think this was the V bounce. But you could see, like, you got to take it off as you're approaching the bottom orb. Like, if you didn't sell up here, I don't know what to do. I'm just waiting. This could be the low of the day. This is what we did yesterday. This is the same shit that we did yesterday, by the way. Yo, I took 3 micros. So I took 3 micros in a funded account. And I'm just going to hold it. My stop loss is 190. I'm just letting you guys know. Stop loss is 190. And I'm just going to hold it. Dude, I can't wait. If I get stopped, I get stopped. I'm just telling you. I took 3 micros. Yeah, I was up $70. I'm just, listen, I might still short it in here and play a short or whatnot. I just refuse to sell out. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Sunday gap fill. Dude, Sunday gap fill happened already. This is the Sunday gap fill. This is the new week opening gap right here. New week opening gap. Oh, you know what? I want to see something. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh, it's not going to work. Let me see if I put it in here. I don't know. I got to figure that out. No, I got stopped. I need dollars, dollars, dollars is what I need. Hey, hey, hey. I can't believe they stopped that show, How to Make It in America. I find it interesting that they brought it back in this range after dropping. I was literally just going to take it for fucking $80. Oh my God. Did that just fucking happen? I'm going to get stopped out after I was literally just clicking to take it. I was up 100 at the high. Come on, that was fucking nasty. That was so fucking dirty. I'm up $200 already. So if you make another $100, now I'm up $300 in a brand new funded account. I can't believe that just fucking happened to me. I was up $100. What up, Fred? I'll get my money back. I'll get my fucking money back. I can tell you that right now. These motherfuckers, I'm going to get it back. Yo. What's wrong, Knob? Are you not entertained? Yo, the market likes having some fun, man. Yo. Yo, off topic. Anybody have a freaking massager for your shoulder, but it really gets in there? I don't feel like spending money on a Theragun. I had one. I think my brother stole it from me. This is the shit that we did yesterday, by the way. Dude, this looks like it's going to go pretty far fucking down. Dude, she wouldn't even be able to get in as... Dude, I need it to be like... I need to hit this thing 4 times a day. Previous quarter high is at 25.26. I'm just zooming in. Bro, book a flight to Thailand, you start getting a massage, and you're like, man, these are some strong hands. These are some super strong hands. And she's like,
yes, I give good massages.
You're like, oh. Nah, my brother went there. He fucking loved Thailand. They went twice. Him and a bunch of his friends went to Thailand. Like, they went twice. And I want to say they stayed. The first time they did like 5 days, 6 days. The next time they went for over a week. They like loved it. Yo, they fucking loved it. I mean, this might be the bottom. If you look, though, every time we hit this green line, we just keep rejecting. I'm just going to play that. I'm just going to play this rejection. Let's see what happens. Every time we've done it, it's the same formation. We wick up, we drop. We wick up, we drop. We wick up. The one time I do it, though, I'm going to get fucking stopped out. Just watch. I'm up for the day in one funded, but my trailing drawdown is what? Smoked? Bro, every time that I do it, I'm like, oh, I'm following the pattern. Oh, I'm playing the trend. Look at that. Never fucking works. That's why people ask all the time, why don't you play the trend? Because it doesn't work for me. Trend doesn't work for me. Ever. Ever. It never fucking works for me. No trailing, just set a TP? Yeah. I'm not doing that shit. Look at this. Yo, they're watching. Bro, they're watching. Dude, another gray day over in New York. Yo. Bro, I'm about to hit this. Matt, I'm about to make generational wealth on this trade. I locked in another payout today. I'm doing well. All my accounts are up, but this one account. Everything is up today. Everything's up that I'm forced to play this other account. I literally just activated this. Dude, if this ends up going, this is literally the same shit that happened yesterday, by the way, and the day before. Look at this. Down, down, down. We pop, we come down, make a new low, and then we're just going to fucking dick around for the rest of the day. And then we did the same thing the day before also. You have one pop, which we had. Down, down, down. You have a pop. You come back down. You make a new low. And then you chop for over an hour. And then you make your way. You make your way back up at lunchtime. You could 2 days to pass a core account. I'm just saying it's very similar. Down, down, down. We pop. We make another new low. And now I think we're going to go like this. And then watch. We're going to end the day at 25,500. Watch. 25,500. Watch. Fucking crazy. I haven't been told about a deal, but I'm pretty sure they're going to run a Black Friday deal. Pretty sure. Yo, this is fucking crazy. So stupid. I'm not chasing this. I'm just fucking sitting here. That's probably the bottom of the day, by the way. We probably just saw the low of the day. If I had to guess, listen, if I had to guess, they're probably going to do those $59 deals again. It's going to be like 20% off my funded futures or 25% off. That's what it's probably going to end up being. Dude, they just wicked me the fuck out. Look at that. Wicked me out, and then they got it. I'm done playing this chop, though. The 5, you can see it retested this FVG. It can't get over. It's probably... It would look good, though, if they held this as low a day. But I have such a hard time shorting it here. Like, I just can't. Down here. Up here... What prop firm is this? This is TradingView. Yeah, this is TradingView. Dude, this is some choppy shit. No, the one that starts with FTD. Oh, this? The reason it starts with F is it's a funded account. It's Tradeify. That's Tradeify. But if you don't have a funded account, it just starts with TD. These are all old accounts. Some of them I took payouts out of, and then see the problem with Tradeify. Well, it's not really a problem. The problem is really my problem. Once you get to 52,000, if you had an old account, which I had a lot of rebills, like old ones I kept, if you get to $52,100, you could take out $1,500, but it left you with like, your drawdown was like $600. So I blew, I think, 2 or 3 of them after taking a payout. I just couldn't get out of the small drawdown. Bro, they wicked me out. What fucking loser. Yeah. See, so the ones that make you get more money, you're going to keep those accounts longer because they force you to get a buffer. So when you take money out, you don't just blow the account, right? Like, for argument's sake, you know, I'm trying to think which one. So like this, they won't let you take under 155,000. So now you have a $5,000 buffer even after you take your money out. So the odds of you keeping the account are much higher. All these accounts I just took payouts in recently. This account I've had since July, and literally I just keep milking it for payouts. I do not know why I'm not live yet. Someone asked me that. They're like, why aren't you live? I was like, I don't know. I've had it since July. I've gotten a bunch of payouts out, and they just don't want to put me live. But right now I'm $2,180 above the buffer for a payout. I'll just keep milking it, I guess. These core accounts are great. The no consistency. The no consistency accounts are where it's at. I will say Black Friday is going to be fucking crazy. Black Friday is probably going to be crazy for deals, I would assume. Especially like, so last year, there was less prop firms. Like Tradeify was kind of new. Lucid wasn't around. There was a lot of, I don't have any info right now. Like my funded futures was newer, but like there's so much more competition this year that everyone's going to be like just throwing out Black Friday deals. You don't think there's going to be anything great? They're going to run deals. Some of them go under, John. Some of them start and go under because people get paid. You know, the fast tracks, there's another one, prop something. I forget what it was called. That they went out last November. Thrive went out. Not all of them are making money. The reason is they gotta 50% would be awesome. 50% no activation fee. Yeah. There's gonna be fast track deals everywhere. I mean, even more than that, John, they got to pay fees for customer service. They got to pay hosting fees. They got to pay probably Tradeivate fees. There's probably data fees. There's probably other fees involved. You know, it's just not account revenue. You know, they have fees. They probably have an office. But I would just say, man, I have taken them for a good amount of money recently because I haven't really blown. Dude, you know what? They just grew super fast. That's crazy. 98% of evals get blown. That's because people are doing stupid shit, John. Like, of that 98%, how many of them have trading view? How many of them have an actual strategy? They prey on people that don't know anything, that will just gamble. Don't get me wrong. I'll gamble on non-farm payroll and shit like that. But like, there's been no news to gamble on, though. I think the last gamble I gambled on was earnings, and I hit. Actually, I blew a Lucid funded account yesterday. It was below the thing as it was, and I ended up blowing it. I forget. It was something stupid. But I don't know. I'm requesting like another $900 payout today, so I'm fine. I'll be honest with you. If they told me I was going to go live soon, I'd probably blow the accounts to not go live, to be honest. There's no point in going. So take Profit Trader. Nothing changes when you go live. You can have up to 5 accounts. You know, you don't want to go live if they make you have 1 account. So trade day pushes you live early and you can only have 1 account, and that sucks. I don't know, like Elite hasn't pushed me live, and I'm up on them good. My funded futures, you got to trade 30 days. I was 3 days away from going live with them on an account, and I blew it. I'm curious how long I've had some of these other ones. Let me see. So I haven't had a lot of these accounts that long. The problem is I take the payout with my funded futures and it kills the drawdown. I play the game where I get over the limit to take the max payout. I withdraw it, kind of blows it, and then I rinse and repeat, kind of. But now I have a bunch of accounts that are way above where I need to be. So I don't know. There's a good chance. So my next payout, I'm going to withdraw $1,000 in this account, but I'm going to be nowhere near the buffer. So this account's probably going to see hopefully 2 more payouts at least. This is one of those that I was able to get way out of there. The problem here is this isn't the bottom that I want. Like, I want us to do like this, where you come down and then you V-shape off. This was awesome. This rounded is not really what I like. Open the ducks one last time. Yeah, you got to accept blowing evals. I mean, everyone's going to blow evals. Blowing evals is a thing. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, listen, I can make a case. What up, Ace? I can make a case for this to be the bottom, and I can make a case for it to not be. Usually when you could do that, you should probably not fucking trade it. You're getting a 5-minute inversion here, but like you can reject right off of this new week opening gap. Honestly, you're going to get a big move when this hourly flips. Actually, this was pretty good. But yeah. We break over this candle to the upside. I would say that's strong. What this is presenting, though, and what you guys should watch is something like this. All of a sudden, you're going to invert on the hourly. And yeah, the stop is going to be pretty big. The stop's going to be, probably 70 points. But you could probably grab this with 1 or 2 micros and probably ride it up multiple hundreds of points. It's probably going to be the similar thing on this. What up, Miguel? What up, what up? On what time frame, John? You have a super fucking small hourly right here. Super fucking small. At like 280. Yeah, Ace, I'm cooking, except for one account. Except for this, and it was up 200. But other than that, I maxed out. Like, I'm up $400. Like, I don't need to get more than $400. These I needed days. I need to lock in days because I could take $1,000 in each one of these accounts. So I just need to get the days through, and then I'll be a $3,000 payout. All these I finished. These are funded. I just finished these up. I finished these. Finished these. Oh, man. Yeah, the hourly has a small one. Yeah, man. I mean, we made good money. I played something last night in the Discord, and then, I don't want to ruin it, though, because I lock in. All I need to do is lock in trading days with this. I think 2 more trading days, and I can get a payout in 2 of the accounts. I think 3 more in the other one, or something like that. These I need 7 more trading days and 8, and then I could. This one's going to be a good payout, though. This is up $2,100 already, $2,200. If I can get this to be like a $4,000 or $5,000 payout, and this is day 1, which is obviously a great start. And this is the only funded. I'm going to take that. I'm just looking for a scalp. I'm just looking for a quick scalp. It looks so small, but that's actually like 11 fucking points. See, now I take a quick. I thought it was more money. My bad. I thought that was going to be more money. I was trying to get to break even. I was trying to lock in like $55, $60 and then the other half to break even. That's what I like to do. Lock in and then get to break even. This thing's looking like dog shit, though. Well, Aramis, what was that? A sell? Yeah. I might get back in. This is just fucking chopping, to be honest. This isn't. See how much, like, we've traded these levels for so much. You want to exit. You want to exit the levels. You want to exit out of here and then create a trade back to the upside. That's what you want to do. You don't want to really this be the bottom. You want it to exit out of this, get into fresh trading area, and then turn around to go up. That's what you really want. Don't want anything else. Knob, did you do that with 6 micros? Or were you limited to 5 micros or 1 mini? I was just wondering what you did it with. NVIDIA is selling off. I mean, that it had that SoftBank news the other day. I'm not going to lie, man. Some of the valuations are coming down. It's looking quite interesting. Just throwing it out there. Some of the companies are coming down to a great spot. I'll be honest with you. I'm going to leave you with this. New hour. You're going to want to see, like, you know, it's kind of breaking. If you take the IFVG right here, you could stop out. It kind of seems like the selling pressure is kind of not there anymore. You know, they could have really dropped it here. They could have dropped it here, and they're just not. There's not much buying pressure either. You're just kind of sitting here. You know, if you wanted to play 1 or 2 micros to the upside, it is what it is. But other than that, I'm jumping off. I'm going to eat lunch. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. That's pretty much it. Got any questions? I'm going to be hanging out in the Discord. Sean's got a podcast. The link is in the description. I'm going to go jump on that at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm going to be on the podcast, Sean's podcast. If you want to watch it, link is in the Discord. Other than that, I'll see you back at 2:15. And this is a choppy ass market. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Remember that.